Yoga for bedtime. Did you know, to sleep well, you should, do not use stimulants before bedtime, go to bed at regular times every day, go to bed before 10 p.m., combine well with other therapies such as massage, aromatherapy, etc. This yoga exercise consists of 2 parts with some easy and difficult yoga poses. If you did well in part 1, you can practice with me in this part 2 now. Now, after meditating in diamond pose, lotus pose, or easy pose for a few minutes, you can continue practicing this yoga for bedtime exercises with me. 9. Relax the hips. Sit down, left leg stretched to the left, narrowed right leg. Rotate the body to the right, folded to the right, the abdomen presses on the right thigh. The left leg extends backwards and place the instep on the floor. Level 1. The hands support the chin and rest on the floor. Breathe in many cycles of 4 phases of slow, deep breathing with the lower abdomen. Level 2. Continue to relax the entire upper body on the right thigh. Forehead on the floor. The whole body relaxes. Feel the relaxation of your right hip. Breathe in many cycles of 4 phases of slow, deep breathing with the lower abdomen. Now, switch sides and do the same for the left side. Level 1. The hands support the chin and the elbows are on the floor. Breathe in many cycles of 4 phases of slow, deep breathing with the lower abdomen. Level 2. Continue to relax your entire upper body on the left thigh. Forehead on the floor. The whole body relaxes. Feel the relaxation of the left hip. Breathe in many cycles of 4 phases of slow, deep breathing with the lower abdomen. Now, move on to the next pose. 10. Loosen the waist and hips. We bow to one side and lie down. 2 hands on both sides of the body on the floor. Bend your legs close to your buttocks. Place your feet on the floor at a distance equal to the width of your shoulders. Use the strength of the legs and shoulders to raise the buttocks and belly as high as possible. We are now turning this whole central part clockwise as seen from your eyes. If you want, you can use both hands to hold your ankles and keep doing the same. Breathe in many cycles of 4 phases of slow, deep breathing with the lower abdomen. Now we turn in the opposite direction, and also breathe many 4-phase cycles of slow and deep breathing with the lower abdomen. We can lie down for several breath cycles before continuing. 11. Extended twist. Now, 2 knees bent vertically. 2 hands are placed on the floor above the head. Now, we throw both knees together, on each side alternately. It twists the central part. Try to keep your hands and shoulders steady. Combine with many cycles in 4 phases of slow and deep breathing with the lower abdomen. Lie down for a few cycles of slow, deep breathing in 4 phases, with the lower abdomen. "12. Legs up the wall pose. Lie on your back. Now shrink your legs and straighten them vertically. Hands holding the back of the thighs. You can also use a towel or belt to support the legs. Breathe evenly in a few cycles of slow and deep breathing in 4 phases, with the lower abdomen. Always press your whole back and hips on the floor. If possible, you can also practice with the wall. Lie on your back and legs straightened vertically against the wall. Breathe evenly in a few cycles of slow and deep breathing in 4 phases with the lower abdomen. "13. Extend your legs to relax your hip joint. Now open and relax your legs on both sides. Relax the hip joint. Breathe steadily in a few slow and deep breaths with the lower abdomen. Keep your back always pressed to the floor. 14. Tighten the waist on the floor. Now shrink your legs and stack them like this. 2 hands holding 2 shins. Make sure your entire back, especially the lumbar, is always resting on the floor. Breathe evenly in a few cycles of slow, deep 4-phase breathing, with the lower abdomen. (15) Open both knees to relax the hip joint. Press the soles of your feet together. Place them on the floor and as close as possible to the buttocks. Drop 2 knees in free fall on each side. 2 palms placed face up freely on both sides. The whole body relaxes and lets go. Breathe gently with the lower abdomen. You can also put thin pillows under your head and legs like that. You can lie down to relax for as long as you want, until you fall asleep. Good night, thank you, and see you soon.